This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. This 6+ acre property is ready and waiting for your dream home. Complete privacy with a newer well installed, septic system installed, power installed at the level building area. You are ready to go. There is a nice shed on the property and a metal RV carport as well. A stream runs along the north edge of the property. Only 15 minutes to downtown Murphy and shopping. Mild restrictions. An agent must accompany showings. For more information, review the details below or contact Carol Robinson at 866-835-8500 extension 105.